Hey guys, today I'm making slime. I have the ingredients here. You'll be needing a bowl, some activator I have in this little container, then some glue, and a spatula, some regular slime. So first, you're gonna add how much amount of glue I'm gonna add. I'm only gonna add a little bit. So, oh god. So I'm gonna show you guys. Here I have my bowl. I don't think you guys can see that well. There's my bowl. Sorry. You guys. It keeps falling. Much better. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, so I'm gonna add some glue. It's a big gallon. I barely got it yesterday. So we're gonna be, I don't know what I'm mixing. I'm just mixing in glue. So I'll be right back. So there wasn't the thing that I needed. Okay, so then we're gonna add a little bit at a time. I'm adding Tide. It's much easier to find out in stores. So while that is gonna start forming, you can see I'm trying to mix fast. By the way, this is my first YouTube video that I'm making. My cousin has a YouTube channel. I've been in her YouTube channel. Even my brother. He's right
Like
there.
and subscribe.
Ow! Ow! I'll say that in the end of the video. Oh god!
Yeah, I'm with Pokemon.
I know. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep mixing till it starts to form, but I don't think it's forming. Here. By the way, I have a lot of Pokemons, but they're not good. Like, it's starting to form a little bit. Okay. By the way, what's it called? Also, go check out my cousin's channel, which is named Jeanette Leva. And then my brother's name is my mom's name because he needs to change it. But it's Carla Leva. Mine is Larissa Garcia. My name. Mine is forming! Yay! Okay, I think I might need that. Okay. Oh god. Okay. And I might be making videos every day or every Monday or Tuesdays, because I might be busy the other days. No, I think I can make videos every day, because only this week I might be able to make every day videos, because I might be filming vlog, videos, challenges, some videos with my cousins. So mine's forming really good, but it's turning out blue. I didn't want it to come out blue. So yeah, my cousin barely has 16 videos, and I barely have one, which is this one. This is my first ever video. I think that's my uncle. I think she's gonna be here. So try to scrape it all off the bowl. So I think I'm gonna knead with my hands now. So this is the final product. See? They're a little sticky, but not that much. So yes, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't so yet. And yeah, that's so much for today. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.